Hi, Ashton here at Lancaster Honda. Today we got this Jazz SE in midnight blue in stock for you. Really nice car. We sold it from brand new as well. So in this video I'll be walking you around the car, showing you any wear and tear done by the previous owner and the mileage on this car as well. To start off with, it's a nice lovely color. As you can see, it looks black but it's midnight blue. You got automatic headlights which are projector as well, which are an LED. You do have LED daytime running lights as well. Coming to the right hand side of the car, you have this 15-inch wheel trims, which are really nice. As you can see, the body works really nice on this car. It's barely been driven. It's got very low miles on it as well. This is the second wheel trim there. As you can see, no dents or scratches which are visible to naked eye. The car will get a good polish though before it goes out to its new owner. Coming to the rear, you got this LED tail lamp. The tail lamp on the driver's side has been cracked, but don't worry, we'll be replacing it with a new one. As you can see, sold from us brand new by Blackpool Honda, which is part of the same Cox Motor Group team. Show you the boot space on this car. As you can imagine, really nice boot space on the Jazz. You do have storage space under here. It's nice 60/40 split setting. The seats do fold down all the way. The magic seats as well. I'll show you that in a minute. As you can see, bumper's really nice as well. No scratches, no dents. Coming to the left hand side, the third wheel trim there. As you can imagine, well, there's no dents or scratches as well on this body side. So the magic seats do go all the way up, or you can fold them all the way down as per your liking, so you get more space down there. You could put your house plants in there, which is nice. Coming to the front of the car, got your last wheel trim there, and it's not been scuffed or anything. So the body works up exterior wise really nice, shiny. There's a small scratch there, but don't worry, it can be buffed out by a body shop team. So yeah, let's jump in and I'll show you the miles on this car. It does have all 4 electric windows. The front driver's side is automatic. You do have electric adjustable wing mirrors, your locking system there. Down here we got a cup holder. We've got more cup holder and storage space there. You got a Honda Sense, vehicle stability, and also your headlight function. Got a start stop button, which is keyless entry on this car. We got multifunction steering wheel. On the right you got your adaptive cruise control with lane keep assist. On the right you got your hands-free function along with the screen function. So the car's done only 23,570 miles, which is nothing. As you can see, it's a self-charging hybrid. You don't need to plug in. The engine's charging the battery there. On here we don't have the Honda Connect system, but does have a Bluetooth connection along with your radio. It does have the ECON, which is nice and cold in here. A USB there and a 12-volt socket along with tons of storage space there. You got your automatic gearbox with parking brake, ECON Mode, and your brake hold. A couple of cup holders there and more storage space. So yes, the car's here with us. We'll live with minimum 9 months of MOT and service. Feel free to get in touch with our sales team if you want to know more about this car. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.